Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'm very happy. The whole Bangladesh is very happy because we got rid of a dictator from Bangladesh. Her name is Sheikh Hasina. She has killed thousands and thousands of people. Even last 1 week she has killed more than 2,000 students in Bangladesh. She is the worst dictator in our time. So, Alhamdulillah, Summa Alhamdulillah, all praise to Allah that we got rid of this heinous dictator from Bangladesh. Thank you all for supporting Bangladeshi people, Bangladeshi community. Thank you for being with us. Now it's time for the International Criminal Court, the human rights, to take action against this heinous dictator. Now she is trying to go somewhere else.